All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time be right now. How they been now? All right, still on the ministerial nomination matter, as one ogbonge group for our country, Naija, don dey beg Tinubu say make he intervene for Honorable Stella Iruogene Okotete's case. Yes, so, and me, if you ask me, my own approach for this matter be say the madam they try well. This honorable we dey talk about, so she don dey do good work for a very long time. They come. If you want to know many things, they where you go take no. I will tell you later after the news. Back. Come on your body. Oh shit. Oh yeah, now move fall into the news right away. Come on your body. Oh shit. Ministerial nomination. Group begs Tinubu to intervene in Okotete's case. President of Nigeria Female Youth Organization NFYO, Princess Mimi Peter, has appealed to President Bola Tinubu to intervene in ensuring that former Executive Director, Business Development, Nigerian Export and Import Bank, Nexim, Stella Okotete is immediately confirmed as minister by the Senate. Peter implored the president to use his good offices to act immediately, having considered her worthy to steer the ship of leadership in his cabinet and nominated her. We make bold to say that Stella Okotete is such a person to be considered for ministerial appointment, Mimi added. She expressed strong hope that Stella Okotete will make a strong and positive impact as a minister, recalling that she has a history of commendable performance in public office. She further urged that Okotete be confirmed following the leadership role she played while she was the national women leader of APC and how she campaigned for the renewed hope of Agenda 2023. Princess Mimi Peter said the renewed hope agenda promised inclusion of women and youth in politics. As such, Stella Okotete fits in the description of a youthful woman. The inclusion of Stella Okotete on the ministerial list earlier sent to the Senate for confirmation brought joy to the Nigerian women. Confirming her as a minister will strengthen her commitment towards the welfare of Nigerian women. Some people are against her nomination because they don't want the progress of Nigerian women. They fear women will do better than them in offices and will further expose their inabilities as men, the NFYO leader said. Mimi, who lamented the poor participation of women at 2023 general election in Nigeria, as well as the decreased number of women elected into representative positions across the country, urged the federal government to make efforts to increase female participation in politics and inclusion in government. She called on the stakeholders to put all hands on deck for increased women's participation in both elective and appointive positions in the country. According to her, women have been doing well in their respective offices. As such, they need more encouragement and involvement. Will you come here, buddy? Have fun now. You don't hear the matter. She deserves more than that. Stella Iruogene Okotete has been doing good. Go inside the worry life. If you want to know, go check where she's school. If you want to know, go her village. If you want to know, go ask people where she don't work with before. She's been doing fine. She's been doing well. She's a good woman, so she deserves that position. I don't know the olofofo where they do that thing, but God will bring on a secret cat from inside the black bag. Come on, your body, Ushi. Afa, subscribe to my YouTube channel there. Come on, your body, Ushi.